Hello and welcome back. Today let's just try out to make this drawing inside Fusion 360. We have been given the drawing and here I am in Fusion 360. Alright, so first just look at the drawing. We have the dimensions 60 by 30, right? We have chambers of 9. We have a rib over here, and then we need to create some cutouts. So let's just start up with this. First I will click on the sketch, choose a proper plane, and here I will draw a rectangle. Now dimension this. This is 60 and this one is 30. I will finish the sketch. Now as you can see over here, the extrusion is 9. Click on extrude, choose the section, and the extrusion distance is 9. Now I will create a chamfer and modify chamfer, choose this edge and this edge and select 9. See, it's ready. Next we need to draw another rectangle. Click on the sketch, choose this plane, corner rectangle, and click on it here. And here if you look at here, so we have 18 and the extrusion is 21. 30 minus 9. Click on dimension. This one is 18. Finish the sketch. Click on extrude and upward, and this is minus 21. See, right? Now I will create a plane and this will be the mid plane. Choose this face, press and hold Ctrl key in this face. You will have plane at the middle. Now choose sketch on this plane, and here if you see we have a rib. Draw a line from this point till here and finish the sketch. And now we have to create a rib. Click on rib and the profile is this one and the thickness is 7. See, it's fine. You can flip the direction. Okay, now what we need is to just draw a circle of diameter 30. Sketch on the top, draw a circle at the middle, and now here what we can do, just finish the sketch, extrude it, this one, and here we can go and here you can choose object and choose the bottom face, profile, and choose 30. Okay, again I will choose this plane, draw a circle, and this time the diameter is 15. Dimension, this must be 15. Finish the sketch, extrude this one, drop it down, and need to create a cutout. Okay, we have done. Now if you want to create appearance, choose the object, physical material appearance, and we have to click on the metals and choose the brass. Okay, we have done, right? If you want to combine it, select the whole path, combine it, and we have done. Thanks for watching.